Panginoon. Number 28 now. Binigay sa kanila. Over to number 18. Tries to triple number 18. 3! That is his second triple of the game. 37-20. Lumalayo na po ang Team Rich. Now one times his own triple. No good. Rebound number 18. Over to Ferrer. Ferrer. Doing the cha-cha is Ferrer. Traveling violation.
Subama siya dun sa isa eh. Under 14.
Binigyan ng Rana. Rana. Nagkamag na pagpasan. Binigyan number 2. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Ladies and gentlemen, ball, fakes. Now ball, short. Who gets the rebound? Number 28 by Gazon. To number 13, over to turnover. Nakakot yung ball. Now ball, protecting the ball. Making his move. Number 16, spin, lays up. Wala. Wala pa rin. Mejia, bounce his way. Yes, sir!
Reversa.
Mejia lang ang saka. There's a miscue on Ferrer and number 18 of White.
Reversa na.
Minute and 18. Run na, Muhammad Lee, sila yung ginapon. Easy 2. Number 16 ang ball, but make big man. Number 14. Binigay number 18 na amang ibang abroad but last touch on Park. Stay ball. Number 18 na. Binigay kay Ferrer. Ferrer tries his own triple. Number 16 over to Rana. 45 seconds remaining on first half. Rana drives.
Ay, sayang.
Yeah.
Ganda na eh.
Too high for a pass. 31 segundos remaining in our first half. Ferrer now. Looking for his teammate is Ferrer. Over to number 18. Number 18 drives slowly in and out. Board is Mejia. Nabor. Last 13. Nabor being under by number 18 of White. The eye to eye is Nabor, number 18, number 16, Nabor, right shot, not to the net. End of our first half. Official score, 57-26. Laging isa, kalamangan ng Team Rich.
Iya.
Si Romit talaga makangal doon.